Hey, Michelle here, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how not to reach your goals this year. The thing is, there's one big mistake you can make that will push you into a huge trap. You'll end up feeling frustrated, burned out, and like a quitter. It's a mistake that almost all of us make, and it comes from having the best intentions. But first, before we get into it, if you've been thinking about getting some extra support with changing your bad habits, you can click on the link below to see if the Permanent Wellness Fix is the right program for you. Space is limited, so if you know you're ready for different results than you've been getting, set up a quick chat with me to see if you're the right fit. Now let's talk about that big mistake. Here's what happens. You set some huge goals for the new year, and you vow that starting now, you finally are going to get your you-know-what together. You drink all the water, eat super clean food, you journal every bite, you become extra active, you go to bed early, and then you even get up early. But then a few days later, you're exhausted. You decide to sleep in, you miss a workout, and then you eat some cookies, chips, and decide not to journal your food anymore because what's the point? And that's when it happens. You're done. You give up. It's not because you lack the willpower or the drive. It's because you've overcommitted and you tried to do too much. That's why coaches and trainers talk about SMART goals, because they're specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time sensitive. It takes all your big plans and boils them down into bite-sized chunks that you can accomplish without feeling tired, overwhelmed, or like quitting. And yes, sometimes it's hard to take a step back and get a big picture view of your goals in your life. That's why we created the Permanent Wellness Fix, which gives you the step-by-step guidance you need to change all your habits without getting burned out. So if you're ready to make a real change in your health and fitness, we offer busy women several different programs to help our clients next level coaching that puts them firmly in control of their results. Join me next Monday for more.